Hello everyone. So here in this series of videos, we are going to learn about conversion invoicing, which is a component of BRIM. So before starting with conversion invoicing, let's have a quick introduction of SAP BRIM. Okay, so we'll take a short introduction on BRIM. SAP BRIM, formerly known as Hybris Billing, and BRIM stands for Billing Revenue Innovation Management. So here you can see this is the high level flowchart. You can see all the components of BRIM. First component is consumption, which can be a non-SAP system, and the second component is mediation, which can be SAP Convergent Mediation by digital route, or it can be external mediation system. The third application is rating conversion charging, SAP Conversion charging. It can be SAP Conversion charging, or it can be other external conversion charging application for rating and charging purpose. And the next is my billing and invoicing, which is a component of CI, conversion invoicing. And the last component is FICA, which is my contract account receivables and payables. So all of these components are highly integrated with each other. So the comprehensive integration with CC, CRM, SOM, and contract account receivables and payables enables the service provider to implement the business process from the consumption of a service through pricing and billing right up to dispatch of the invoice to the customer. So here in this high level flowchart, you can see all the components. For an example, I would like to give an example. So so if I will take an example of a telecom company, how does the data flows to CI system from other system? So suppose a telecom subscriber sends a message from his handset. So sending a message is a consumption which customer has used based on his agreement with the service provider. Now the consumption would be recorded in non-SAP system. Here the consumption would be recorded in non-SAP system, and from this system the consumption data will flow to mediation system, okay, and or from any or to any other external system. Now this data will come from will be flown from mediation system to CC system, conversion charging system, or any other external charging system for rating and charging purpose. And once this rating and charging activities has been done, then this data will flow to CI for billing and invoicing purpose. And once the invoicing is done, then it will go for the contract accounting purpose. Okay, so SAP BRIM solution comprises with 4 main components. See, BRIM has mainly 4 core main components. Okay, so first is SOM. SOM stands for Subscription Order Management. So Subscription Order Management is a component, is the very first component of BRIM solution. SOM is a separate application and integrated with SAP S/4HANA. Subscription Order Management performs a front end for companies, and it is built on the SAP CRM backbone. It manages order management and capture it, manage contract cycle, product and offer management, management of product catalog for services. In this business process of SAP subscription order management is to capture the charges of periodic usage of the rights and the consumption of fee for the actual amount of measurable usage. Moreover, in this new architecture of SAP S/4HANA 1909 version, SOM is now a part of S/4HANA Works. It's no more a external, means a separate application. Next component is conversion charging. So conversion charging, consumption details are being uploaded from the mediation system to conversion charging system for rating and charging purpose. Now convergent charging is a calculation engine tool which has 2 components. First is rating, the another one is charging, which is being used to determine the types of charges such as recurring, one-time charges, and usage-based charges. Charging is how SAP Convergent Charging determines which exact customer account would be charged against for a specific customer. On the other hand, rating focuses on the calculation mechanism that derives the total amount to be charged in the billing document. So this is a very brief short information about the convergent charging. Now we are moving to CI, which is convergent invoicing, the third component of SAP BRIM solution. So convergent invoicing is a component of BRIM process, and it follows the process of consume to cash. CI, convergent invoicing, receives the rated and charged consumption data record from convergent charging system, means CC system, which is being stored and prepared in CI system. These CDR, means consumption data records, are being called as consumption items in CC system, and once it reaches to CI system, it is being called as billable item. And these incoming billable items from CC system goes through a billing invoicing process. And now SAP Conversion Invoicing performs the grouping and aggregation of these billable items received from CC system and also from other multiple external system, including sales and distribution, and generates billing documents within conversion invoicing. Unlike SAP BRIM, subscription order management, and SAP conversion charging, which comes as a separate application, SAP conversion invoicing is not a separate application and is a part of FICA, means contract account receivables and payables, which is included as a part of the core SAP S/4HANA portfolio. This means that SAP CI conversion invoicing is integrated within SAP S/4HANA, especially highly integrated with contract account receivables and payables. So this was the third component of BRIM, Billing Revolution Innovation Management. And the last component is contract account receivables and payables, which is FICA. So contract account receivables and payables, FICA is sub-ledger accounting for receivables and payables, and is the last component of BRIM. This is applicable for all the industries which that requires huge volume for business transactions. It also enables necessary capabilities to manage accounts, receivables and payables, example like open item management and account balance display, along with capabilities like dunning and interest calculation. To summarize at a very high level, we create orders in SAP BRIM, subscription order management, perform calculation in SAP CC system, or for an order based or usage, and get the final charge amount in SAP Convergent Charging System. Bills and invoices are sent to customer using CI system. Finally, in FICA, we post the financial documents and make payments. We also use FICA for dispute management like credit management and collections. Okay, so in convergent invoicing, invoices are being created, post grouping and aggregation of billing document, and these invoices are being sent to customer, and simultaneously invoicing process creates a posting documents for the receivables. Posting in FICA is a sub-ledger posting followed by accounting entries to the contract account against which customer does the payment. Later, general posting are being transferred to financial and general ledger integration with FICA. FICA enables sub-ledger accounting for receivables and payables. This is applicable for all the industries who deals with huge volume of business process and business partners. Okay, it also manages open item management, account balance display, dunning, credit management, dispute management, collections, and interest calculations. So here is a brief information about the SAP Conversion Mediation, which mediation system, which is a peripheral solution. So SAP Conversion Mediation is a SAP partner product developed by Digital Root. Its main function is to mediate the data. This application stores the data from the multiple sources, filters them, and convert them into a format that can be consumed by other components of the BRIM applications. So this is about mediation system. So here you can see in this is a high level system architecture. Here you can see that this is our CRM SOM box. Okay, and this is why this is CI FICA within S/4HANA. This is my convergent charging box. This is my non-SAP system for consumption to record the consumption, from where the data flows to mediation system, and from mediation system data flows to convergent charging system for rating and charging. Once the rating and charging is being done, the data flows to CI FICA through web services, and CRM SOM is also integrated with CI FICA, and the data from CRM SOM flows through middleware to CI to CI's S4HANA box, and also we receive the data from sales and distribution to CI FICA for the billing and invoicing purpose. Okay, so once the billing and invoicing is done, this goes for the contract accounting, wherein the sub-ledger accounting, general ledger accounting, revenue accounting, and tax accounting. So this is the high-level system architecture of BRIM. So this is all about the a quick introduction about the SAP BRIM. So in the coming videos, we will be understanding about the more about the conversion invoicing. Okay, thank you.